The Lion and the Mouse. Long ago in a vast forest, a mighty lion reigned supreme. After devouring a hearty meal one day, the lion dozed off beneath a large tree. Nearby, a mischievous little mouse spotted him and thought it would be fun to run around on the sleeping lion. Without hesitation, the mouse darted up the lion's tail and slid down, squealing with joy. Suddenly, the lion awoke with a thunderous roar. Furious, he seized the mouse in his massive paw. The tiny creature struggled but couldn't break free. The lion opened his enormous jaws, ready to swallow him whole. Terrified, the mouse squeaked, "Oh mighty king, spare me. I'm so sorry. Please let me go, and I promise one day I'll repay your kindness." Amused by the idea of such a small animal helping him, the lion chuckled and decided to release the mouse. "You're lucky I'm full today," he said, setting him down. "But remember, if you bother me again, I won't be so kind." Grateful and relieved, the mouse scampered off. Days passed, and while patrolling his jungle, the lion fell into a hunter's trap. Hidden nearby, the hunters sprang their net, capturing the lion. The lion roared fiercely, thrashing around to free himself, but the net held tight. The hunters left to retrieve a cart to transport their prize back to the village. The lion's roars echoed throughout the forest, reaching the mouse's ears. "The king is in trouble," the mouse exclaimed. Determined to repay the lion's earlier mercy, he rushed to the scene. Upon finding the trapped lion, the mouse said, "Fear not, my king. I'll free you." The mouse gnawed tirelessly at the thick ropes, and before long, the lion was free. Humbled by the mouse's bravery and loyalty, the lion said, "Thank you, dear friend. I see now that even the smallest creatures can offer great help. From this day on, you'll live in peace in my kingdom." The mouse beamed with pride. "Thank you, king. I'll never forget this moment." The lion grinned, "Want to play and slide down my tail again?" The mouse eagerly accepted, jumping on the lion's back and sliding down with joy. Moments later, the hunters returned with their cart, only to be met by the lion's ferocious roar. Terrified, they fled back to the village, leaving the lion and the mouse to their newfound friendship. From that day forward, the lion and mouse became inseparable companions, proving that even the smallest friends can make the biggest difference.